Did you know the average American eats 52 pounds of fries every year, and more are being eaten at home? So right now we're going to check out how one company is going high-tech in creating a crispier crunch for this super-sized side dish. They're a golden bite of pure delight, usually found only in fast food franchises. But since 2004, cutting-edge technology has brought this famous fry to oven doors everywhere.
The extra crispy fry is designed to mimic the crispiness and the golden brown color that you find in a quick service or a fast food fry.
Since 1952, Ore-Ida has sliced up over 100 varieties of French fry. And each year, at their plant in Ontario, Oregon, 1 billion pounds of potatoes make the French fry connection. First, potatoes arrive by the truckload, over 100 trucks each day.
When we're unloading a truck, we'll run the potatoes across the dirt eliminator, eliminate any loose dirt that are on the potatoes.
Next, these dirty tubers take a tumble in a rock trap, where a flume of water washes rocks to the bottom and vines to the top, away from potatoes. And it takes a lot of liquid locomotion to get these spuds moving through the factory.
We'll use 1 million gallons of water in a shift of production. Water is probably the best way to handle a potato. It's the most economical and it's the gentlest way to handle a potato. It gives us one more step of washing.
Then they get a potato haircut, as steam injects into an enclosed peeler, lifting skins right off.
The steam then flashes off and all the water and the water molecules then rapidly boil. And that just lifts the skin off the potato.
Next, a mechanical scrubber smooths off any loose skins. Then a peel scanner checks the squeaky clean spuds on their way out.
It's a computer that basically will take a picture every 20 to 30 seconds of the product, evaluate it.
Once they've had their close-up, larger potatoes get cut in half so fries will be the same size.
Our customers want their potatoes to be somewhere between 3 and 5 inches long, and they don't want a 9-inch French fry.
Next, a water knife turns potatoes into small fries.
Water knife system it's basically just a pump system that has a head in it that has a series of knives stacked in there. And they're all perfectly symmetrical, and that's how we make a French fry.
Since about 80% of a potato is water, Ore-Ida runs them through a giant dryer.
The drying process is a pretty critical step in the overall process. We look to remove about 10 to 15% of that moisture in that potato to try and make sure that they're really extra crisp.
But you can't have these Frenches without the fry. And Ore-Ida's got a secret for making theirs taste like the fast food variety.
We'd use a top secret coating prior to the fry process, and that in conjunction with frying really set that French fry up to make it really truly extra crispy.
Then they take the big chill in a blast freezer at 10 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, all they need is an everyday oven to return to their crispy selves.
You can cook them so simply at home in as quickly as 15 minutes in the oven and have them come out extra crispy and golden brown.